According to the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, the Economic Survey of 2018, there are 79,239 nurses practicing in the country. And breaking down this number even further, only 6% of that hold a Bachelor of Science degree in nursing at 4,819. A further 65% are registered nurses at 51,420, and 23,000, constituting 29%, are enrolled nurses. Now, you might ask, what's the difference between an enrolled nurse and a registered nurse? In Kenya, training institutions in nursing may offer programs at 3 levels, that is certificate, diploma and degree level. Both the Bachelor of Science in Nursing and diploma programs produce registered nurses, whereas the certificate programs produce the enrolled nurses. Now, what do these numbers mean for the nurse to patient ratio? It means that there are 10 BSc holding nurses for every 100,000 people, 112 registered nurses per 100,000 people, and 50 enrolled nurses per 100,000 people. Now, finally, what is the World Health Organization recommendation on the healthcare worker to population ratio? That figure is 250 to 100,000, and that's 250 encompasses doctors, nurses, and midwives.